right, Mr. Kingdos are bringing the bananas.
Yes.
Woo! Hi, Mr. King. How is it going this morning?
Super.
All right, the biggest farmer in Cat Island.
In the world.
Woo! Look at the bananas from where are they from?
My farm.
Oh my gosh. Awesome. How long did it take to grow?
This take a year and 6 months.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
This is the second bunch.
This is the second bunch.
Yes.
All right, and you're delivering them where?
Right here to Alvernia's food.
All right. So if you want some of these nice native bananas, you can get them from Alvernia Food Store. All right, go inside. Drop them off. Woo! It takes 3 of them to lift the bananas. Woo! Yes! Awesome! The bananas! Woo! All right. I mean, they are beautiful and huge. Wow. How does it feel this morning?
I feel like a farmer.
You feel like a farmer.
Ready for another day.
Yes. Awesome.